Beaumont Health is partnering with local police departments for what's called National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day. It's actually today and tomorrow, where you are encouraged to drop off any unused or expired medications at Beaumont, in Dearborn, Grosse Pointe, Taylor, Trenton, and Wayne. So joining us live now to discuss this is Rebecca Gomez, Beaumont's Addiction Medicine Care Coordinator. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
You know, here's the thing. You're encouraging people to drop off their unused or expired medications, and emphasis on the expired portion, because a lot of times some people are holding on to these medications, maybe because they didn't use all of them, which you're obviously supposed to be doing. But these medicines do expire, and it's important to dispose of them properly.
And not only that, it's important to get them out of your house and out of your medicine cabinet, because actually 2/3 of teens who have misused pain relievers in the past year, do you know where they say they got it from? Friends and family.
Wow.
Those medicine cabinets.
So some people are not finishing the medicines. They leave them in the cabinet, and then somebody gets into the medicine, and obviously it's in the wrong hands. So this is very, very important that people take a look at their medicine cabinets and figure out what they have and get rid of them. What should we be looking for?
So what you want to look for is, it can be prescription, it can be over the counter. Beaumont is accepting all pill form medications, and you can, like I said, vitamins, prescriptions, over the counters. We prefer that you bag them all up in a bag, just kind of, so that if you do have to bring bottles, though, we will accept them, because the most important thing is for us to get them out of those medicine cabinets. But if you can put them all in a little bag just like this and bring them on in, that would be the best, because we can then dispose of them and they won't fall into the wrong hands.
Absolutely. We've got all the information there on your screen right now. The Beaumont hospitals today and tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Listen, it's prescription pills that you're specifically talking about, or are you talking about any type of creams and ointments as well?
Pills only, although some of our sites are taking back needles and empty syringes. You can bring them in one of these or just drop them off. Do pay attention to our website, because that will indicate which sites are accepting the needles and syringes. Not every site is, and that website is beaumont.org/takeback. And you can find all of our sites that are having the medication take back today and tomorrow, and which ones will be taking the needles and syringes in addition to the pills.
All right. Well, it's very important that you dispose of them properly. You certainly don't want them falling into the wrong hands. You can do this today and tomorrow. You're encouraged to drop them off, the unused and expired medications, at Beaumont in Dearborn, Grosse Pointe, Taylor, Trenton, and Wayne. And again, that's from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. Very important information.
Thank you. And just so you know, it's also happening at Royal Oak and Troy.
Royal Oak and Troy, very big Beaumont locations as well.